Now going to solve question number 3. In question number 3 they are given that diagonals AC and BD. AC and BD are the diagonals of a trapezium, and also AB parallel to DC they are given, intersect each other, both the diagonals are intersect at the point O. By using similarity criteria we can show that OA divided by OC that is equal to OB divided by OD. Now by using these given points we can draw a trapezium ABCD. Now ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. AC and BD are AC and BD are the diagonals of a trapezium with AB parallel to DC. This side parallel to this side, intersected each other at the point O. Both the diagonals are intersected O. Using similarity criteria of two triangles, show that OA divided by OC is equal to OB divided by OD. Now observe AB and DC are two parallel lines, then ODC angle is equal to OBA angle, and also this DCO angle is equal to this OAB angle, because this angle and this angle are alternating angles, and also this angle and this angle are alternating angles. By using that, first we can prove that triangle DOC and BOA are similar. Solution in triangle DOC and triangle BOA, just observe these two triangles. In that ODC is equal to OBA, angle ODC is equal to angle OBA, and also this OCD angle is equal to this OAB angle. OCD that is equal to angle OAB, because alternating angles of two parallel lines AB and DC. Now if two corresponding angles are equal, then by using AA similarity criteria both the triangles are similar. Therefore, otherwise this angle also equal. This DOC is equal to AOB, because vertically opposite angles. You can apply that also. Otherwise, by AAA similarity criterion, we can write that triangle DOC similar to triangle DOA. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio and also corresponding angles are equal. By using that property, we can write that DO divided by BO, that is equal to OC divided by OA. Now taking reciprocal of these two sides, we get taking reciprocal on both sides, we get OB divided by OD. BO, OB both are same. DO, OD both are same. Similarly, OA divided by OC. We prove the corresponding ratios are equal. OB divided by OD is equal to OA divided by OC. This complete the solution of question number 3. Now going to solve question number 4. In the following figure, QR divided by QS is equal to QT divided by PR, and also angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Show that triangle PQS similar to triangle TQR. They are given the triangle TQR. In that one triangle TQR and also another one triangle PQR and another one triangle PQS. Just consider triangle PQR. Just consider the triangle PQR. Here they are given that angle 2 is equal to angle 1. Angle 2 is equal to angle 1. If this angle is equal to this angle, then opposite sides of this angle is equal to opposite side of this angle too. Solution. In triangle PQR, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. If two angles of a triangle are equal, then this triangle is isosceles triangle. Then opposite sides of these two equal angles are equal. That means PQ is equal to PR, because they are given that. Then PQ is equal to PR, because opposite sides of two equal angles. And also they are given QR divided by QS. QR divided by QS is equal to QT divided by PR. Consider QR divided by QS, that is equal to QT divided by PR, because this also given in the question. Now substitute PQ is equal to PR. In this equation we get QR divided by QS, that is equal to QT divided by PQ or QP. Both are same, because PQ is equal to PR. Now what can we prove? Triangle PQS, that means this triangle PQS and also triangle TQR. TQR means bigger one triangle TQR. Consider two triangles PQS and TQR. We already find out that one ratio QR, this side ratio divided by this side ratio is equal to QT. means this side ratio divided by this side ratio. By using that, in triangle PQS and triangle TQR, we already proved this. Take this as to be equation 1. QR divided by QS is equal to QT divided by PQ, because from 1 by equation 1. Now observe these two triangles PQS and TQR. Angle Q is common angle for both the triangles. Then angle Q is equal to angle Q because common angle. Now one angle is equal and two corresponding sides are in the same ratio. By using the theorem SAS, similarity criteria, we can write that both the triangles are similar. Therefore triangle PQS similar to triangle PQR, because reason SAS similarity criterion. The sides included the angle Q are in the same ratio, and also angle Q is equal in both the triangles. Therefore, by using SAS similarity criterion, both the triangles are similar. Now going to solve question number 5. In question number 5, they are given that S and T are points on sides PR and QR of triangle PQR. Just draw a rough sketch of triangle PQR. This is PQR triangle. In that, S and T are the points on PR. On PR, S point is there, and T is on QR. On QR, T is there. Just join these two points, and also they are given that angle P means RPQ is equal to RTS. That means this angle is equal to this angle. Now we can prove that RTS triangle and RPQ triangles are similar. Now going to solve this question. Solution. Just consider in triangle RPQ and triangle RTS. I will consider two triangle. One is RTS, another one is RPQ. Now in this triangles, angle P is equal to angle T, and R angle is common angle for both the triangles. By using that, we can prove both the triangles are similar. Now in triangle RPQ and RTS, they already given that angle P is equal to angle RTS, because they already given that. And also this SRT is equal to PRQ. Both are common angles. Angle R is equal to angle R, because common angle for both the triangles. Therefore, triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS because AA similarity criteria. If two corresponding angles are equal, then automatically another one corresponding angle also equal. By using that criteria, we can say that both the triangles are similar. AA similarity criterion. By using AA similarity criterion, we say that both the triangles are similar. Now going to solve question number 6. In that they are given the figure. In the following figure, if triangle ABE, that means the triangle ABE is congruent to the triangle ACD. These two triangles are congruent. We can show that this triangle ADE and bigger triangle ABC are similar. Just consider what they are given. Solution of this question is given that triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD. If two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angles are equal and also their corresponding sides are equal. By using that, we can write that AB is equal to AC and also AD is equal to AE because reason CT congruent parts of corresponding triangles. Called this has to be equation 1, this has to be equation 2. Now divide equation 2 by equation 1. We get AD divided by AB, that is equal to AE divided by AC. This has to be equation 3. Now consider the triangle ADE and also triangle ABC. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC, just observe the angle A is belongs to this small triangle also and also this big triangle also. Angle A belongs to both the triangles. Angle A is equal to angle A because that is common for both the triangles. Common angle. And also we already know that this ratio. By taking this ratio, AD divided by AB, that is equal to AE divided by AC, because from equation 3 we can write that. Now one angle is equal and the angle sides included that angles are in the same ratio, then by SAS similarity criteria we can say that both the triangles are similar. Therefore triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC because SAS similarity criterion. By SAS similarity criterion, both the triangles are similar. Now going to solve question number 7. In the following figure, altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at the point P. Show that first one, triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP. Second one, triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE. Next third one, triangle AEP similar to triangle ADB, and also triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC. They are given that ABC is a triangle, AD and CE are the altitudes of the triangle ABC, and both the altitudes are intersect at the point P. By using this data, we can prove that these four are similar. Now taking first one, in triangle AEP and triangle CDP, just observe these two triangles AEP and also CDP. Just observe these two triangles. CDPAC. Just observe these two triangles. One is PAC and also DCP. In these two triangles, this angle is equal to this angle, and also this PCA is 90 degree in this triangle, CDP is 90 degree. By using these two data, we can prove that both the triangles are similar. In triangle AEP and triangle CDP, CPD is equal to APC. Angle PDE is equal to PD. PDC is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle PCA. Angle PCA, because each angle 90 degree, and also they are given that AD perpendicular to BC, and also CE perpendicular to AB. That's why these two angles are 90 degree. These two angles are 90 degree. And also this CPA or APC angle is equal to this CPD because these two are vertically opposite angles. If two angles are equal, then automatically another one angle is equal. By using AA similarity criterion, we can say that these two triangles are similar. By AA similarity criterion, we can say that triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP. This completes the solution of sub question 1. Now going to solve question number 2. Here triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE. Just consider the two triangles. Second one, in triangle ABD and triangle CBE. Just observe these two triangles. One is ABD. That means this one triangle ABD. Here angle D is 90 degree, and also another one triangle CBE. That means CBE. This triangle, this is C, this is B, this is E. Here E is equal to angle D, because both are 90 degree, and also this angle B is belongs to ADB also, and also BEC also. This B angle is common angle for both the triangles. By using that, we can prove that both the triangles are similar. In triangle ABD and triangle CBE, angle ADB is equal to angle CEB. That means this angle is equal to this angle, because each angle 90 degree. Each 90 degree. Perpendicular means they are having 90 degree. And also angle B is equal to angle B. Angle B is equal to angle B, because common angle for both the triangles. Therefore, by AA similarity criterion, you can say that both the triangles are similar. Triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE. This completes the sub question 2. Solution of sub question 2. Now going to solve sub question 3. Just consider two triangles. One is AEP, another one ADP. Third one, in triangle AEP and triangle ADB. Consider two triangle AEP, that means this smaller one triangle, and also ADB. ADB means this bigger one triangle. Just consider these two triangles. One is ADB, another one is AEP. Here angle E is 90 degree, here angle D is 90 degree. Now taking the two, and also both are having A has to be common angle for this small triangle AEP and also ADB. Both the triangles are having A has to be common angle. By taking that, in triangle AEP and triangle ADB, angle A is equal to angle A, because common angle. And also angle AEP that is equal to AEP is equal to ADB, angle ADB, because each are 90 degree. Now also, if two angles are equal, then two triangles are similar by using AA similarity criterion. Therefore by AA similarity criterion, we can say that both the triangles are similar. Triangle AEP similar to triangle ADB. This completes the solution for the sub question 3. Now going to solve sub question 3. Here they are given that two triangles PDC and BEC. That means PDC, that means this triangle, and also another one is BEC, that means this triangle. They are given two triangles. Consider that two triangles. Fourth one, in triangle PDC and triangle BEC. Just observe these two triangles. This is BEC. Here CE angle is 90 degree because CE perpendicular to AB. And also consider this triangle CPDC. Here D angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree because AD is perpendicular to CB. This PDC angle PDC is equal to this angle BEC. Angle BEC. This angle is equal to this angle because each 90 degree. And also observe these two triangles. This is smaller one triangle also having angle C, and also this bigger triangle also having angle C. Therefore the angle C is the common angle for both the triangles, smaller one and also bigger one. Therefore angle C is equal to angle C because common angle. If two angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, then by AA similarity criterion we can say that two triangles are similar. Therefore by AA similarity criterion, triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC. This complete the solution of the sub question 4. In question number 8 they are given that E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram. Right here draw a parallelogram. Here A, B, C, D. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram. Then extend AD up to E. This is E point. Then ABCD and BE intersect CD at F. Join these 2 points B and E, that is intersect at point F. Show that the triangle ABE, that means this bigger one triangle, and also triangle CFB, and also these two triangles are similar. This triangle and these triangles are similar. Solution: in triangle ABE and triangle CFB. Here ABCD is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. This A angle is equal to this angle C, and also angle B is equal to angle D. By using that property, we can write that angle A is equal to angle C because of opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Just observe these two line segments. AB is parallel to line segment CD, and also this B is a transversal of a line segment, two parallel lines AB and CD. Then this angle ABE is equal to, otherwise this, consider this angle ABF, CBF. This angle is equal to this angle AEB because here B is a transversal, then this angle and this angle are the alternating angles. Alternating angles are equal. By using that we can write angle AEB is equal to this angle CBF. CBF because of alternating angles of two parallels AB and CD. Now two corresponding angles are equal in two triangles. Then by using AA similarity criterion, we can say that both the triangles are similar. By AA similarity criterion, triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB.